Hi my friends, Ian Stewart here with yet another tool. This one is called the Scarcity Bar Generator. Now you may have seen them about on the internet, and this is what one looks like. Okay, so what it does is tease people in a way, letting them know that you have got a few spots left, or a few ebooks left, or a few training positions left. There was one guy who said that he wanted to work with 25 people and that there was only 4 spots left. So therefore, people jumped in at the chance, okay, because they thought they were going to be the last 4 people and they didn't want to lose that. So this is what you do. This is what this is all about, okay? So let us say that you were wanting to train a group of, say, 25. So you choose your number just there, okay? So there's 25. And let us say you put, say, 20 positions gone, okay? So that means there's only 5 left. So what we're going to do, we're going to just alter this, okay? So you can think of something. I know you can, because you're good at that. Okay, so, positions, let's say positions. And then we're going to put here 20. Okay, so we're going to do something like that. So they can see there's only a few left. So it's to tease people and to get them moving, okay? So you've got this colours, there's just 4, okay? And these tend to work best. Green, blue, orange and red. Now, I personally like that one. I don't know what you think. Now, what we can do, we can alter things a little bit, but what we do now, as it mentions here, look, copy and paste the scarcity bar into your web pages or emails. Okay, so what I'm going to do is click that there, and I'm going to take it to our HTML generator, which is there. Okay, so I'm going to delete that, and then I'm going to paste the code that we've just created in there. Okay, so I'm going to bring that all the way down here. Now, there's one thing you may want to do. It's entirely up to you. Okay, so let's just have a look at this. So there's 25 training positions and 20 positions. You may want to take that out. You may want to take that out. That's entirely up to you. So you look for that piece of code and then you do that, and there it is. Look, so there's 25 training positions and there's 20 positions gone. Obviously 5 remaining. Okay, so that's how you would use it. And then what you would do then is to let's have a look now. We'll click just there, and then you would carry on with your email. Okay, that would go there. Okay, so you would type away and put whatever else you wanted in there. But so this is another little tool that we've added, made by Martin, and it's a cool little tool, and I'm sure it will help spur people on to move on and get these things finished, you know, and join you in positions and so on and so forth. Okay, so the tool is there if you wish to use it, and all you need to do, if you need any help, is click the black bar on the right hand side of the page, and I will get in there and I will help you as quick as I possibly can. Okay, so thanks for listening, and bye bye for now.